And do that, you ain't pause.
Alright, you like your Father's Day dinner?
Yeah.
Alright, let's see you eat the lobster. How's it taste? Bustin', what you got here? Cajun seafood macaroni salad, y'all. We skipped the salmon because we don't need it. Crab and Argentine shrimp. Alright, we good. It's cooking. Crab. Alright, you guys, what up everybody? This is our Father's Day 2022 dinner. We're smoking in here with that fresh broccoli crowns. They were seasoned with butter and seasoning and cooked in a crock pot all day on low. So you see we're not mushy and soggy, we're still solid. We got that seafood macaroni salad. We decided to just go with that sauteed shrimp and crab meat and mix it up real well with some good veggies, peppers and onions and relish and all that good stuff. We got some brats we had put on the grill. Okay, we got about 6 brats already prepped, ready to go in a bun. We got that lobster. Look at that beautiful lobster. I did that myself, y'all. That Cajun butter lobster, okay? I did that, and then we got the steak, T-bone steaks. And yes, they are very tender. We're letting them rest, okay? We got 2 of them that's about a medium well, and we got 2 of them that's about probably just a tad pink, the way me and my oldest daughter like it, okay? So that's what we got going on. So let's just get a little snapshot of everything, y'all. Look at that. Gorgeous, huh? I'm so ready to dig in. I hope everyone has a happy Father's Day, and no matter what, you love your father as long as you got him, because when he's gone, you're gonna miss him now, I'm telling you. I miss my daddy, but guess what? I'm so thankful that I had 37 years with him. All right. See y'all.